Keep your passports, deeds, and medical records secure and accessible by preparing a dedicated plan for moving day. Start by gathering every physical document you will need, including passports, property deeds, mortgage papers, medical records, birth and marriage certificates, insurance policies, and any power of attorney documents. Use a single locked file box or a 3-ring binder with plastic sleeves to organize items by category and date. Label tabs clearly so you can pull what you need without rifling through everything. Create encrypted digital copies by scanning each document at a high resolution and saving them in password-protected cloud storage and on an encrypted external drive, and test opening one file before you rely on the whole system. Pack the locked file box or binder in your car for transport rather than loading it on a moving truck, and keep it within arm reach during stops so you maintain continuous control. Designate a trusted contact, such as a close family member or your attorney, and provide them with a notarized copy of critical documents or clear instructions on where to find encrypted backups and how to access them in an emergency. Prepare a short checklist of the documents you packed. Keep one printed in your wallet and one saved in your phone notes app, and update it if new papers arrive before moving day. On moving day, confirm identity requirements for travel and settlement, such as whether the new jurisdiction requires original deeds or certified copies, so you bring the correct versions. Common mistakes include leaving originals on the moving truck where they can be lost or damaged. Avoid this by transporting documents personally in your vehicle and keeping the container locked and out of sight. Another frequent issue is relying solely on paper copies without digital backups. Fix this by scanning every important document, encrypting files, and storing them in 2 separate secure locations, such as encrypted cloud storage and an encrypted external drive. People also forget to share access plans with a trusted person, which causes delays if you are unreachable. Give a trusted family member or your lawyer clear instructions and a notarized copy of critical documents or access keys so they can act if needed. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share tips about moving and document security. We help contractors find work by listing projects and fostering conversations so both homeowners and professionals can learn from each other.